I'm going to teach you how to record an income tax payment as an expense. By the end, you'll have a clean, accurate entry that shows up in your books exactly where it should. Start by opening your accounting software and heading to the expenses area on the left-hand sidebar. This is your home base for anything you pay out, and it's the right place to capture tax payments that reduce your profit. Once you're there, choose New Expense. This opens a fresh expense form where we'll add the details of your tax payment. Now enter your tax payment details. Set the payee to the appropriate tax authority so your records clearly show who you paid. Pick the bank account or credit card the funds came from so your balances stay in sync. Set the payment date to match the date on your confirmation or bank statement, and enter the total amount paid. If your software offers fields for a reference number or check number, add it here for better audit trails. Use the memo or description to note the period the payment covers, such as quarterly income tax payment, so future you instantly understands what this was for. If your system allows attachments, this is a great place to add a copy of the payment confirmation or notice for easy reference later. Next, set the category. Choose taxes or government fees, depending on how your chart of accounts is named. If you have a specific sub-account like income tax expense, use that to keep things tidy and separate from items like payroll taxes or licenses. The key is to book this payment to an expense category, not to a liability account like sales tax payable. That ensures it lands on your profit and loss under taxes, reflecting the true cost of doing business for the period. With everything filled in, click Save. Your income tax payment is now recorded as an expense. You'll see it listed in your expense register, and it will flow to your profit and loss report under the category you selected. If you ever need to adjust the memo, payee, or category, you can open this expense and edit it without creating duplicates. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Expenses, create a new expense, enter the tax payment details, categorize it as taxes or government fees, and save. This simple workflow keeps your reporting accurate and makes tax season reviews far less stressful. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to double-check your entry as you go.